G'day guys, Dave here from Trays and Roof Racks. Today we're going to talk about awnings, what brackets to use for what particular awning. Starting with the light duty awnings, these all have an aluminium track with T-slots in the back. They require our fixed awning bracket. The fixed awning bracket is designed to support awnings up to 12 kilos that incorporate ground poles. Some of the design aspects of this bracket are to allow for it to be mounted flush with the roof rack itself, to allow for different track sizes, and to be easily disassembled. The next bracket is our adjustable awning bracket. This is suitable for awnings up to 24 kilograms that also use ground poles. Being that it's adjustable, it allows you to mount your awning at the height that you require. It also has multiple mounting points to allow for a wide range of applications. This style of awning is a different story. Being that it is freestanding, it requires a lot more support to the roof rack. For this, we've designed our freestanding awning bracket, designed to cope with awnings up to 38 kilograms. This bracket is a fully welded gusseted design with extra stiffening into the center of the rack. It also has a large flat plate to mount the awning directly to it. As you can see, we've made a very strong bracket. However, in strong winds, we always recommend to use the ground poles and guide ropes. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you next time.